Baguio too. And then, thank you so much for waiting. Kasi it's been over years since you guys waited. And now that we've gone public, we're out now as UE. Thank you so much for still supporting us and for those fans who are still coming, still seeing the value in us. Thank you so much, Paul, for showing interest towards your group.
Dami na nung nasabi mo. Pinagdagan ka ba namin yun? Pero, yun po, thank you po talaga. Yun naman po yung lagi namin sinasabi. Yung mga nag-stay po simula po nung una po, thank you po ng marami sa inyo. And, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi gagawin po namin yung best namin na mas galingan pa po. Kasi, feeling naman hindi pa, kung ano yung nakikita niyo po ngayon, kaya pa po namin mas galingin pa po. And dahil po yun sa inyo. So, and keep motivating us. And, ayun, thank you po sa love and support.
How about the other members? Visual do.
Well, thank you po sa patuloy na pagsusuporta po sa amin. Na hanggang ngayon po, andito po kayo para po support po kami. At sa mga darating pong events or projects po namin, sana patuloy po kayo.
Umulan man o umarang. Hey, that's about. You know, and of course, many are dreaming to be just like you guys, who want to be part of a P-pop group, who wants to make music, who wants to be part of a group. You have any tips? You have any advice you can give them?
Just be physically and mentally prepared for everything. It's gonna be a tough journey, pero kaya niya, of course. Trust in yourself.
Always work hard.
And don't stop dreaming. Kasi kung hindi tayo, kung tumigil tayo, wala tayong hindi dito.
That's true. Keep on dreaming, and of course, kasi pag tumigil ka na dreaming, you don't have to wait anymore. That's it. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
What is the last song you got for us?
Say We Meet Again written by L.
And who was this dedicated to?
Fans, supporters, and family po.
So kung yung Bini may A, kayo may ano?
Pwede ba? Bigyan mo kami ng bakas ng
Ready. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's give it up for New A.
Mga araw magkasama